VMware vSAN is a software-defined storage (SDS) solution that provides a high-performance, scalable, and resilient storage infrastructure for modern data centers. As an integral part of VMware vSphere, vSAN eliminates the need for traditional SAN, Storage Area Network, or NAS, Network-Attached Storage Hardware, by leveraging Direct Attached Storage (DAS) on ESXi hosts. This approach allows IT teams to manage storage resources more efficiently while reducing costs, improving performance, and simplifying operations. Unlike traditional storage architectures that rely on external storage arrays, VMware vSAN distributes storage across ESXi hosts in a cluster, forming a shared storage pool. This allows compute and storage resources to be managed as a unified entity, improving performance, scalability, and fault tolerance. A vSAN cluster consists of at least 3 ESXi hosts, each contributing local storage, HDDs or SSDs, to create a single shared data store. Storage devices are grouped into disk groups, where each group contains one cache tier, SSD, and multiple capacity drives, HDDs, SSDs. The cache tier accelerates read and write operations, while the capacity tier stores persistent data. VMware vSAN provides numerous advantages for organizations looking to simplify storage management, reduce costs, and improve scalability. It eliminates the need for separate storage arrays and complex networking configurations. Using VMware vSphere's existing interface, IT administrators can manage storage resources through automation and policy-based controls. vSAN is also cost-efficient, as it uses commodity hardware instead of expensive SAN NAS solutions, reducing infrastructure costs. Additionally, it supports deduplication and compression to optimize storage capacity further. Performance and scalability are key benefits of vSAN, as it delivers high-speed storage with NVMe and SSD caching tiers, ensuring low-latency access for mission-critical workloads. It scales horizontally by adding more hosts or vertically by upgrading storage devices, allowing organizations to expand their storage environment based on demand. Security is another core feature, with end-to-end encryption ensuring data protection, while compliance with industry standards like FIPS 140-2 makes it suitable for regulated environments. VMware vSAN is widely used for enterprise virtualization, virtual desktop infrastructure, VDI, Kubernetes and cloud-native applications, remote office deployments, and hybrid cloud integration. It integrates seamlessly with VMware Cloud on AWS, enabling businesses to extend their storage capabilities into the cloud while maintaining operational consistency. By leveraging vSAN, businesses can enhance workload performance, ensure data protection, and future-proof their IT infrastructure. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to deploy and configure VMware vSAN step by step. Let's continue.